Up for sale, 1967 Camaro. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 67 Camaro, finished in red, black vinyl top, black interior, bucket seats and console, 327 M21 4-speed, disc brakes, 12-bolt rear, and as always, go around it, point out anything that I see, fire it up, drive it, and I will get in for the driving. And of course, we'll start here in the front. It's nicely optioned. I know I mentioned a couple things, but I'll get into that more. It's a nicely credentialed car and pretty unique. Front bumper, you see some light marking on it as you go through, and you see a little bit of patina on that piece of trim there. The trim is nice though, the grill's nice, the bezels are nice. Very nice quality paint, and you'll see it as I go around. Looks super nice. A little handprint right there for my finger, but nice fitment all the way along the hood and to the fenders. Tasteful cowl hood. I love it just a little bit. Really straight body on both sides that you see. And now let me get into some of those credentials and some of those things that I mentioned. Right. If I can lift it. Nope, it's stuck. I need two hands. One to poke, one to lift. Okay, let me get started here. 327, 275 horsepower. It's the MK suffix, which was only available in a 67 car, 67 Camaro specifically, with a 4-speed car. By the trim tag, I wrote some stuff down here. It's like I said, MK suffix. It's a 67, 327, 275 horsepower for a manual transmission car. By the cowl tag, it is a 2LG code, which is a factory 4-speed with console, which it has. It's a Z21 for the 3K code, okay, but then there's a 4P on the cowl tag, which I have a picture of on the ad, which is an L30 275 horsepower car. Not only is it a 275 horsepower car, 4-speed car, factory 12-bolt, and the disc brakes in the front are pretty unique. It's 4-piston disc brakes. Now, why would somebody upgrade a disc brakes over time? Wouldn't you upgrade, the motor into this and that? Pretty interesting combination here. 275 horsepower, 4-speed, 12-bolt, 4-piston disc brake. That's the last time I'll probably say it in the video. Very unique. And the transmission is freshly rebuilt. It's an M21 close ratio, which is a 66-67 transmission, so it's kind of a code correct transmission for 67, which is pretty nice. Anyway, got Holley valve covers on it. You see the headers, aluminum intake. It's got a Holley carb, Holley air cleaner. Nice and clean in here that you see there. The MK is on there. I have a picture of that. I might post it, I might not. I probably will, because it's a pretty unique car. You see the cowl tag back there. The super nice painted underhood here. And I have the hood insulation for it if you want it. But I thought it was so pretty, I was like, I'm not going to bother putting that on. So, okay. We'll keep going down the side of the car. 67 rally wheels. With the 327 badge on it. Nice fitment to the door. The door fits perfect to the inner rocker down there. It's got traction bars as well. All super nice. You see a couple little minor touch-ups right on that door edge, but the fitment to the corridor is super nice. I was just walking around the car after I wrapped it up here, and I noticed I missed two things. A little bubble right in the paint there, and then the even smaller guy right there. But that was it. Okay, carry on. I want to go to the glass next, which very nice condition here on your window trim all the way around. Nice windshield, no cracks on it. There's no cracks on any of the glass. I would say the glass just has some light marking in like a little couple spots. Probably been with the car for a while. Nice vinyl top. So let's hop in the car here. Nice in there. Good door panel. You see a little rip down there, but the rest of it's not bad. VIN in place. Nice carpet. It has front and rear seat belts. I know the one fell behind the seat when I was taking the pictures. Console with the Hurst shifter. Super nice steering wheel. Couple added gauges. Always come in handy. No cracks on the dash pad. I did something a little cool. I think it's kind of cool. You stick the key in, you flip the 3 switches like you're in an airplane, and you poke the little button there. Electronic fuel pump fires right up, get in and go kind of a thing. I kind of like that. Makes it easy. Makes you feel like you're in an airplane. Nice seat back. Super nice back seat. A little bit of patina up on the paint there. On both sides, you'll see that one when I get there. Back seat's really nice. Again, front and rear seat belts. So let's keep going down the back of the car. Trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to mention. Nope. Two little touch-ups right there. And I know there's a light, like a little scratch down there that's been touched up. It has big boy exhaust on it, 3-inch exhaust. Sounds super, super nice. Show you a little bit more of the vinyl top. You see like just the faintest little bit of bubbles right there in the top. And then, you know, very common with Camaros, they had the quarters replaced. So you see just on the top a few little bubbles there. I would say the rear bumper is just about the same as the front. But the trunk fitment, you see a couple other little bubbles there. Trunk fitment is super nice all the way around. The underneath, the floors are original, no patches, which is nice. No rust underneath the car. No rust on the body of the car, which is also very nice. There's your hood insulation. Trunk mat is one of these like heavy duty, like a vinyl one, which is nice quality. If I can pull it out here. Solid trunk pan though. Pull up what I can without trying to disconnect anything like I did on one of the other videos. Come on, there we go. Nope, there we go. Like little faint little white marks, like almost little mini stone chips there, just about 8 of them maybe, very small, like pencil tip sized. Same deal on this side. You see just like a little rip in the top and then like a couple little bubbles right there, but the rest of the vinyl top that you see is super, super nice. And I'll get to that in just a second here. Some like miscellaneous marks on the car that have been touched up, right? only in this section for some reason. Again, super nice fitment. I know when the quarters are replaced, very, very hard to line anything up. Perfect. And you see just a couple little marks right in that section there, I guess, you know, from this kind of stuff. Same deal with the glass, couple little things, but still nice, no cracks. And before I actually go into the inside, let me finish that vinyl top. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 67 Camaro, 275 horsepower, 327 motor, original to the car. 4-speed car, now with an M21 close ratio, just rebuilt, factory 12 bolt, 4-piston disc brakes. Finished in red, black vinyl top, black interior, which is a factory bucket seat and console car. Here's a little touch-up down there, I guess, if you care that much that low. Little touch-up right there. But we are getting to that point of the video where we are going to fire it up and then drive it and take her for a little cruise. So again, thanks for watching, and here we go. I probably should have mentioned it earlier. It's not just a 275 horsepower motor anymore. It's got a little bit extra beef to it. I'm sure you noticed that by now. Wait. There we go. Let's take her for a cruise. That's a cool license plate.
Yeah, but yours would say muskie.
No, mine would say bass. Bluegill.
Yeah. Mine would say snapper.
Oh. Go, 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 go.